How to schedule Facebook video from Facebook page. First of all, open your Facebook page and click on Create Post. And now click on Schedule your post from Meta Business Suite. Click on Create and click on Add Video. I'm gonna uploading a video from my desktop. And scroll down. Here, add your video title, add video description. You can change the video thumbnail from here and then click on Next. Click on Next. Next. And here select Schedule and select the schedule date and time. Click on Schedule, and this is how we can schedule a Facebook video from Facebook page. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.